So guys, today in this video, we are going to see how to apply an e-visa to travel to Saudi Arabia. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Saudi Arabia visa portal. The very first thing you would do is to click on sign in. So if you don't have an account already, you are gonna sign up. First, you need to select your passport type, depending upon you. I'm selecting regular country of nationality. So first of all, you need to know that this visa is not uh, allowed for the nationals of all the countries. Okay. So if I select, if I try for India, for example, it's not there. But if I do for Canada, it's there. So I can do that for next. Oh, 7th. I'm very bad in doing that. I don't know why. Okay. So I need to do this and register myself. You can see the details they have asked. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you in the next screen. Happens is after you register, it sends an activation email to your email account that you got to click to activate. And then when you try to log in using the credentials, it also sends a verification code. So that also you need to put. So once you come here, you have two options: apply for individual, apply as a group. So based on your scenario, you're gonna enter this. If you're applying on behalf of someone else, you'll click yes. If not, you'll click no. Personal picture, you have to do country of nationality, first name, last name, gender, marital state, date of birth, country of birth, profession, address. You'll go to next. Then it will ask for your passport details like passport number, passport. It will also ask you to upload the passport. Here, this is for picture, dimensions they have given. Then expiry, issue, and place of issue. Then medical insurance details it will ask. Then terms and conditions will be presented to you. You can review and do the payment. And once it is granted, you're all good to go. So that is how simply it works, guys. Let me know what you think about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.